This is example number 6, CET lecture 1, stage 1. On passing 1 Faraday of electricity through electrolytic cells containing Ag plus Ni2 plus and Cr3 plus solution, the deposited amount of silver, nickel and chromium. So as soon as you see this, children, this is Faraday's second law. They have given the multiple option. So as soon as you see this, you should get Faraday's second law. So when two or more metals with their electrolytic solutions are connected in series, what will happen? All of you should know that 1 Faraday charge Q is charge, 1 Faraday will deposit 1 gram equivalent of the metals. Therefore, equivalent mass of silver is equal to atomic mass by valency. Atomic mass is 108 by 1, so 108 grams. Next, equivalent mass of nickel is equal to atomic mass by valency 59 by 2, that is 29.5 grams. Equivalent mass of chromium is equal to 53 divided by 3. Valency of chromium is 3, so 17.3 grams. Therefore, option A is correct.